Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Anker PowerCore Meteor Essential 20,000 power delivery power bank, which is of course from Anker. This has a fast charger, and it has 20 watts power delivery on the USB-C side. I got this from Shopee on their sale for 2,317 pesos. As you can see here, let's open me here. Here's open me. That is the inside of the power bank. It has 18 watt USB-C input with a fabric finish, a 20 watt USB-C power delivery output, and 18 watt USB-A Power IQ 2.0 output. And here is the two advanced technologies. Here is the power bank itself. Charge fast, live more. Let's unbox this. I already cut the tape on this one. Let's slide it out here. I'm just using my hand here to open the box. Here is the content of the box. Here is the power bank itself and the user manual here. Here's the inside of the user manual. Charging your phone, tablet, and charging your Bluetooth earphone, smartphone. It has some indications over here. There we go. If it's full 100%, if it's two lights 50, then it's one light 25%. Okay, that's easy to understand. It has from different languages. There you go, specifications. Yeah. Okay, important safety. Yeah, it has so many different languages here. Pretty nice. Okay. Here's inside the box, nothing here. And here is the power bank itself. Ooh. I really love the smell of a new product. Yeah, really smells wonderful. Oh, it includes a pouch also for the power bank. A nice touch. And here is the power bank itself. Just wow. Yeah, I smelled it. I really love the smell of the new product. Yeah, fabric touch here. Here's the power bank power button. It has 100. Alright, it has 50% straight from the factory. Here's the back of the product. PowerCore Meteor Essential. Some regulatory infos. The power bank is slim actually. It's pretty compact, also pretty lightweight for a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. Pretty cool. Let's has this side for just a moment. Here is the cord, the charging cord for the power bank. Here is the power cord again. This one is Type C and Type C to Type C cable. Okay, that's pretty neat for charging your power bank. Okay, nothing in the back. All right, so that's the inclusion of the power bank. We have the cord, the power bank itself, and the pouch, and of course the manual, which is in here. There you go. And that's it for the Anker PowerCore Meteor Essential 20,000 milliamp hour power bank unboxing video. And that's about it. If you like the video, like. If you dislike it, dislike. And comment down below if you have some questions or other inquiries regarding this video. Alright, so that's about it guys. And see you again on the next video. Bye bye.